Hi, I'm Nicolas Patrick Tudor from BSEE 2C. So, what is globalization? Globalization defines for me like jobs, technology, transportation, economy, and political. Um, why did I came up with that definition? I came up with that definition from the internet or from the social medias. Where in the social medias I see it every day when I use Facebook, Instagram, and many other social medias. For example, technology. Technology nowadays is very important to us. A cell phone is very useful nowadays because in the cell phone it's all in there. You can call, you can text all over the world. The next one is jobs. Jobs. Many Filipinos from from the Philippines um, choo- uh, choose to fight from the overseas. From why? Here in the Philippines, they are not satisfied from their salary. For everyday salary, they have minimum wage of like 500 to 600 something. Um, that salary is not enough from them for them to support their children or their family. The next one is um, economy. Economy is here in the Philippines are low, like in the other countries. So why? Why? So why it's important to understand globalization? For me, it is important to understand globalization for younger selves, for us to understand what is going on in the world, what is going on our country. So what is in the state of our country is. So that's all, sir. Thank you.